So today I am going to say 5th class first chapter, let us be friends, reading a part 2 bits. Let us begin. So first one, grammar. I do you remember us? A and the we are the articles. So a and the are the articles we call as articles. First, a is telling us I come before similar noun beginning with conjunctive sounds. So a will come before the noun uh, like like a big bruise means hurted blow to the body. So a big bruise like that front before the nouns beginning a will come. Next one, and is saying us just like a I also come before nouns, but remember I am used only before nouns beginning with sound a e I o u. So Anne is saying us I too also come like a I too beginning from noun only, but I sound as a e I o u. So a e I o u is vowels. So this example is an associated place. Associated means a corner place. Okay. Next one, the. I come before similar nouns. I am used when people speak for persons, a place or a thing already mentioned, or things or persons in a stations. So the will come with who means already over the things like the sun, the children's, the boy and the girl, the pool, like this. These are the examples of that. Next one, now look at the following examples. A, Hari was a Hari saw a monster crab. B, Hari put out his hand to shake the scrap club. C1, on the day the sun shines bright. So these are the examples of a and the. Next, in sentence 1, a is used before monster scrap because in it refers to one scrub. In second sentence, the scrub is mentioned again and now instructed of putting a before it. We put the but in third sentence that the is used because the sun is one. So we use a before the monster and before the scrub club, and the we use because the sun is one only, no. So that's why we will use the. So next one, first bit. This is the grammar first bit. Pick out more examples of an a and the from the story. So from the story we get so many a and the. From that we have to remove some a and the sentence and we have to write. So now I am going to say this bit answers. So we have to write in corner a, in middle and in last corner the. So examples of a. So first one, a big bruise. I said first only bruise means a blow to the body. Next, second one, a pin. Third one, a whole day. Fourth one, a pincer. Fifth one, a shoot of joy. Sixth one, a rock pool. So these are the examples of a. I said 6. Next, an associated. Second one, an egg. Third one, an apple. Okay, I said now 3 examples of an. Next one, the. First one, the sun. Second one, the children's. Third one, the boy and girl. Fourth one, the pool. So these are the examples from we removed from the lessons, and this is the answer. So next one. So next bit. Okay. After coming back from the picnic, Hari wrote a letter to his friend about the where he spent the day. The letter is given below. Fill the gap with necessary antelopes. So here we have to, here we know. So here we have 3 articles, a and the. So here they are saying we have to write articles. So we here is a letter. So we have to start. Dear Tej. So he wrote for his friend, Dear Tej, I am fine and hope to hear the same from you. Plops of our schools went for dash picnic. So what we have to get? So the answer is A. Next one, a picnic to dash. A picnic to dash. Okay. A picnic to dash. A picnic to a seaside last week. I wish I was left alone. So I went to a sandy corner and sat down. Sat in a sandy corner down. Next, my mother packed me dash eggs and dash. So my mother packed me an eggs and a cake and dash chocolates. So a chocolates. Next one, and at that time dash a. So at the time a large sandy lobster climbed out of a pool. All the sea animals tried to shake hand with me, but they pranked me till I was black and blue. They taught me dash taught me a lesson out to hurt anyone. So here is the letter what he done. So I said all answers. Okay, next bit. Look at the word underlined in the following sentence. Hari was sitting quietly in a sandy corner. A scrub came and nibbled his hard. He ran far. So the word quietly, hard and fast tell us how the actions took place. These words are called adverbs because they modify verbs. So here we have 3 underlined words: quietly, hard, fast. So these are adverbs because they modify as verbs. So here we have one bit about adverbs, I think so. So first one, complete the passage with the given adverbs. So here we have options. We have to select. So first one, last Sunday it was rainy dash we asked our driver to. What we will ask? So the answer is is okay. The answer is first one answer is heavily. Okay, next one, dry. Last Sunday it was raining heavily. We asked our driver to drive dash slowly. So the answer, second one answer is slowly. Okay, slowly. But the drop dash, the answer is fast. Third one answer is fast. The car hit a cyclist and injured him dash badly immediately. So the answer is badly. And next one, we took him to a nearby hospital dash. So here we not have dash. So next one answer is immediately. So this is the answers. First one is heavily, second one is slowly, third one is fast, and next fourth one is badly, and fifth one is immediately. Next one, fill in the blanks with the correct form of underlined words. So we have to fill in the blank of correct form. So first one, what Anu saying is clearly speaking clearly. So here the underlined word is clear and the answer is clearly. Okay, next, second one, this is a direct bus, it goes to Mumbai directly. So here direct is the underlined word, answer is directly. So next one, third one, Lata had a sweet voice, she sing sweetly. So the underlined word is sweet, the answer is sweetly. So fourth one, Raju's answers are correct, he solved all the sums correctly. So underlined word is correct and answer is correctly. Okay, answers are completed. Next, third one, fill in the blanks with the given adverbs. So here we have to write adverb answers. Choices are there. So first one, wake up at dash in the morning. So the answer is, first one answer is early in the morning. Next, second one, the soldiers marched forward. So the second one answer is forward. Next, third one, I looked for the keys dash but I would not find them. So the answer is everywhere. Fourth one, dash is a holiday. So what is a holiday? Yeah, the answer is tomorrow is a holiday. So first one answer is early, second one answer is forward, third one answer is everywhere, fourth one answer is tomorrow. So up to here our grammar is completed. So now I'm saying writing. Okay, writing now we are saying. So here we have one bit they first only wrote for us. First one, when Hari went for the picnic, he happened to see the notice board on the so he Hari saw a notice board in her school. So in his notice board, what is there? They are saying. So first, the notice board does not. So we have to do this. We have to not do this. They are saying. So first one, first do something. First one, children should be children should be entered by elders, means they are saying children should be children should respect the elders. Second one, wear shoes, slippers when you walk on the seesaw. So while walking in a seaside, we have to wear slippers or shoes. Next, third one, be away of sea animals. They are saying be away from the sea animals. Fourth one, wear waterproof jackets while boating. So we have to wear jacket proof waterproof jackets. Next, do not go deep in the water. We should not go deep in the water, no. So second one, do not drink seawater. We should not drink the seawater because it won't be nice. Next, do not throw waste into the sea. So we should not throw the wastage like a chips packet, anything we should not throw. Next one, do not go boating on a stroke day. Means you know what is meant by stroke, means heavy rainfall and tsunamis day. We should not do boating. So here we have some bit. Now write a notice to keep your school surrounding neat. So we have to write here some notice board. Does not. So first one I'm saying on do's. So first one answer. First put the trash in dustbin only. So they are saying put the trash or something dust in only dustbin. So second one, food waste should be placed in the compost pit only. So they are saying we have saying do not throw the waste food in any dustbins or something. So third one, we should remove unnecessary plants from time to time. So you know in our school park we have to remove all plants and all. So next I said only 3 points, and in does not also I'm saying only 3 points. So first one, do not throw do not throw wrappers anywhere. So we should not throw anywhere food wrappers. Second one, do not split anyone on the school campus. So we should not split anyone on the school campus. So second one, do not allow cattle on the school premises. So we should not allow cattle, means animals like cow, goat, like that. So these are the points does and does not. So next one, second bit. After reaching home, Hari thought of what had happening to him at the end of the picnic. Write down his thoughts in the box. So here we have to write thoughts of the Hari after reaching home. So the answer is so next one, that bit. Hari went to Raghu. He wanted to be Raghu's friend. Here is a part of the conversation that took place between them. Complete it and play roll it. So here is a conversation between Hari and Raghu. Hari want to friendship with Raghu. So here is the part of that we have to complete it. So first Hari is saying, Hari, Raghu, please do not go away. Raghu, I do not want to talk to you. Hari, why Raghu? Raghu, because you always pinch and prank me. Hari. Today onwards, I never prank and pinch anyone. Next, Raghu. Is it true? I do not believe you. Hari. Please, Raghu, believe me. Last night, I took this decision. I want to friendship with all and others. Raghu. Okay, Hari. Are okay, Hari. We are friends now. Hari. Thank you, Raghu. Let us play now. So the conversation is completed. So next one, convention writing. Here we have to write as capital letters, full stop, comma, question mark, wherever necessary, and rewrite the following sentence. So here we have to correct the sentence. Here we have to rewrite the means we have to rewrite the sentence. Okay, first one. Where does Arjun live? So here we have to change. Here W should come in capital letter. And here we have to write the full stop. And always here Arjun, any name will come means we have to write in capital letter. So the answer is, where does Arjun live? Next, second one. Rajni is standing in the veranda. So here R should come in capital letter, and here we have to last we have to write the full stop of a completed. So answer is, Rajini is standing in the veranda. Next, third one. Kamala brought toys, puzzles and chocolates for his daughter. So here we have to write cake in capital letter, and here we have to come comma, and last we have to come full stop. So completed all bits. Here all bits are completed. Stop. So